Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Marcia with Mom Needs a Clone. So in today's video, I just want to go over my Dollar Tree, it's the coupon holder that I turned into a traveler's notebook to take with me to Wisconsin Dells. So I'm pretty much done with it, so I thought I would do a quick flip before I kind of store it away. So I still have like the little charms and stuff on the side. I added this one from one of the places we went when we were there. We went for our date night, so I put that on there. I still got the same charms that I put on there when I created it, so I'll take this off and then we can just get into it. So in this first pocket, I just have like the little it's like when all the stuff opens, like the food places, the water parks, the restaurants, like arcade activities, fitness center, like when everything opens, I have just a document here. So we were referencing that a lot to figure out where we were gonna go that day. So I've got just my sticky note hub right in the front, and then I've got this Wisconsin Dells little I still got it in a plastic. I think I'm actually going to keep it in a plastic for now, but it's just a little postcard that I got. So I got that in the front, and then I went ahead and decorated with some stickers that I bought when I was there. So that's what's on the front. There's my wristband. I actually can take the money out of here. Since I took this around with me everywhere we went on the resort, I just put cash in here. So when I wanted to buy something, I had cash, so it looks like I got 15 bucks left. And then I had this in the front. I actually had this mostly on the front of the book almost the whole time we were there, because it referenced the times that the indoor water parks and the outdoor water parks open, because this resort had 8 of them, so it was quite a lot for us to do. And then I just decorated with pictures and stickers. Let me see. Can I zoom a little bit? There we go. And yeah, so I just went ahead and put stickers in. I put pictures, and then this is just like a map. When we stopped at the it's like their welcome center. Once you get over the border from Illinois, they have a welcome center. So I just got some of their little goodies and used it in here. So none of that mattered because we ended up not going that weekend. We ended up going in the middle of the week. So that was for the previous condo. We switched to a 2-bedroom condo instead of a 3-bedroom condo because we had 2 adults that did not come with us. So we just downsized. And this was like resort info. This is all stuff I put in there before we left. All the activities that I put down for us to do while we were there. To give us some ideas of stuff we wanted to do. I've got this clear little page here. I didn't do anything with it. Resort dining, I didn't write anything in because I had that, and that had all the dining on there, places to eat. We did actually eat at Famous Dave's because we don't have a Famous Dave's locally anymore. I didn't get to go to this Bella Goose coffee place. I was like over it. I was ready to go home. My husband was like, we can stop by there. I was like, nope, let's just go to Starbucks. It's on the way, like for us exiting. So I was just like, let's just go there. And I wanted egg bites for breakfast that morning. So I was like, I don't really want to go to 2, even though I really wanted to go here to put it in my coffee passport. I was like, I'll be all right. So we just got on the road and left. None of this really mattered because my older son actually did not go with us. So he was home. So we didn't have to prep the house for anything. Packing list. Let's see. And this, I always do this when we go anywhere. I just like doing it. I always track the places we stop along the way. So we actually hung out for almost more than half a day in Madison, Wisconsin before we even like got to the Dells. We just kind of spent a day there. I went to a stationery store. We had brunch there. We just kind of had a good time. So, and then I just put in all the pictures from the trip. So, I tried to use some of my stickers. I actually didn't take a lot of pictures of myself. So I think this one and one other is the only pictures I have. I mostly took pictures of Avi because that was the point of going to the water park, to take her to have a good time. So she's actually the majority of this book. So she finally took her hair down. She's like, I don't want to take my ponytail out. My hair is going to be everywhere. And then, of course, it was. And she's like, see, Amia, put it back in a ponytail. So she put it back up in a little bun. But she got in the hot tub with my husband. She was so happy. She was sitting on one of the little blowers. So she had that little look on her face. She's like, Papa, give me your hand. Her and my son, they went on so many of the little slides, water slides. So that's kind of what they did. She did have fun in the indoor, but she didn't like the fact that the waves were really big in there. So she kind of stayed more towards the shore part. And then this is us when we went just downtown Wisconsin Dells walking around. There's the only other picture I took with one. I didn't even take one with Dan, with my son. I just have one with my husband and then that other one with Avi. And then this was just an extra page. I didn't really have any extra pictures to put on there. And then just more pictures of us. We went to one of the little candy stores. So she had a bunch of the chocolates and she was just like, oh, I was saturating her hair with like deep conditioning. Basically, she had a bunch of conditioner in it. And then she was watching her show. So and she loved the little fireplace inside the condo. So she turned it on literally every day, even though it was at like 90 degrees when we were there. This is her and Dan walking downtown. And then this is a little bingo thing I set up. So we did a good amount. We didn't do all the indoor water parks. She just really liked the outdoor and it was such a beautiful day. She didn't really want to do a lot of the indoor water parks, so I thought maybe she would want to do them because they had like the lazy river and the slides and all that, but she really just wanted to swim. Like she wanted to be in the bigger water. So and then here she is. We were going through the lazy river outdoors. And then I just put this in here. This is like the resort that we stayed at, their little brochure. So I kind of cut it up and put it in here. These are actually the 2 water parks we did the majority of the time we were there. And then it just has all the excess paper. And I was going to put my trip to my trip to Chinatown, Chicago in here, but I decided not to. So I don't really have any of those photos even printed, but I was going to just put it in here because once we got back 3 days later, we went to Chicago. So I was like, oh, I could just use this for that. I'm not going to. I'm just going to keep it strictly for Wisconsin and keep it like that. So I've got extra photos, it looks like, in here. Some stickers, a bunch of other stickers down in here. So, and then I've got their huge map of the resort. So we stayed here. Is that where we stayed? No, here. Nope, here. Yeah, we were over here in the Grand Canyon Lodge side. We've only stayed in the Grand Canyon Lodge side, I want to say 2 times. The majority of the time, which is like 8 other times, we've stayed, I want to say we've stayed on this side, on the hotel side, the green side. And then we've never done like the standalone condos or villas. So it's just so big. We've never stayed at the Wilderness on the lake either. We've gone down and swam over there because they have like this endless pool. But since it's like a little bit outside of the resort, we really never visit that side of the pool or the resort. And then I've got a bunch of receipts just from us, you know, going there. And then this was the place we ate at in Madison, Wisconsin. It's called that. It's like a little brunch place. So, and then I will actually, let me do that now. I'm going to take these out because I use, you know what, I'm going to leave it. So that way when I know where to find it. But this is just my sticker book for travel. So every time I do a traveler's notebook and I'm taking it somewhere, this is the sticker book that I take. I'm actually going to leave it there. And when I need it, I know where it is. So more receipts. And then this is just like the brochure, our room number, coupon booklet, stuff like that. So this little $1.25 coupon book worked so well as a traveler's notebook. It got wet a couple times being out by the pool and it didn't damage anything because it's plastic. So it really actually worked out pretty well. So thought I would just share the complete setup of that. And yeah, so that's pretty much my video, and I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye.